Hi guys, in the video I'll talk about the tools in Agno framework. In Agno you have some tools, so Flyer, PA, and my favorite tools is Shell. This tool you can execute a command or do something. So let's try it. Then I have Shell tool. And tool in Agno is very simple. You can create a tool using some lines. Okay, I have the shell tool. I register this tool, shell tool name. I have run shell command. I get the subprocess, add some loggers. I use some process for run command and get args, get your output, it's true, text true, and get results, return code, different of 0, return error or join result in test out. Okay, I have my agent. I instruction first get what is the operating system and the full lines get the interpretation. Get print response, list all files in my home directory. Let's try it. It is logger and command and my gears in my home. I can try other commands like create new repository, create new file, search some file. Let's try search some file. Search album folder. Let's try this. I have the album. It's here. Then this start get to the distribution because I need to know how Linux I have because maybe have some command for search. Find find all folders to type program. I can update this command for better find. My folder is album online and I search album folder. Then when model run this get only album folder, no follow the album line. Well, this is it. I see you in next